In this video, I will show you how to view your existing appointments in Hostinger Website Builder. This website is built using Hostinger Website Builder, and this is my appointment product. This is the title, the price, location, book now, and this is the calendar. And now let's see the existing orders on my online store that are coming from this calendar. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and this website is this exact one. Click on Manage Store next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder. And now click on Appointments from the left side. This is my calendar, and just by looking at this calendar, I can see the upcoming appointments and also the old ones. And to move to the next, by the way, today is 19th of December 2024, and to see the next month appointments, simply click on this little arrow. Just by browsing this calendar, I can see that I have no upcoming appointments on the next month, which is January. Let's go back to this month, and just by clicking on this little appointment, this window opens up, and to see more information about this appointment. This is the product booked. This is the price they paid, the session duration, and also the event details like the date, the time, or the session starting and ending time, also the location of this appointment, and some client details like the email address. Unfortunately, from this little window, you can't see the client name or other client details, but there is a way to fix this, which is just this is another appointment. To see to, or to yes to get more details about this client, simply copy the client email address just like that. And now from the order or the orders page, you can see more details about your client. Simply search using the email address you've just copied, which is the client email address, and you can pinpoint the same order or the same appointment from this orders page. Now all you need to do, click on the email you've just searched for, and you get to this order page with lots of details or more details. And from the right side, you can see the customer info details like the name, the address, the email address, and also the phone number. For this online store, I've created a custom fields which I called referral code, which is optional. And from this order page, you can make actions like create an invoice, download receipt, or cancel the order. Let's download the receipt. This is a preview of the receipt. Let's return. If you mark this order as completed, the client will receive a confirmation email. I don't know why they titled it mark as completed. I think they should mark it as confirm your order. Let's confirm this order. If you have completed the service, mark it as completed. But I don't know why the client will receive a confirmation email. You can use this mark as completed button to confirm your orders. Let's see the email the client will receive. This is an example of the confirmation email that the client will receive after you've pressed or clicked on the mark as completed. The email title is your order has been confirmed. This is the order number, the product name, price, also the total price, and also the date and the payment method. Let's go back to the orders page. From the same order page, you can create an invoice just from here. Let's create an invoice. You can download it, print it, or send it to your customer. Let's preview the invoice. This is the invoice. I think that's all for this video. Let's check out again the calendar, and just from this appointments page you can see a preview of the upcoming and also the old appointment. That's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and thank you for your like.